Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the frustration of Instagram constantly crashing on your phone or tablet, you're in the right place. This is a common issue, especially with updates and new features rolling out in 2025, but don't worry, I've got you covered with simple, effective fixes. By the end of this video, you'll have your Instagram up and running smoothly again. Let's dive right in. First things first, the easiest fix is to restart the Instagram app. Sometimes, a glitch or temporary bug causes crashes, and just closing and reopening the app can do the trick. On your device, force quit Instagram by swiping it away from your recent apps menu, then launch it again. Give it a try and see if that resolves the problem. If that doesn't work, let's move on to clearing the app's cache. Over time, cached data can build up and cause conflicts. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, Clear Cache. iOS users might need to offload the app or restart their device to achieve a similar effect. This step often works wonders and frees up space too. Next, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Developers release updates to fix bugs, so head to your App Store, Google Play for Android or the App Store for iPhone, and check for any available updates. Install them, and restart the app afterward. Another potential culprit is insufficient storage or permissions. Check your device's storage to ensure you have enough free space, and verify that Instagram has the necessary permissions like access to your camera and notifications. You can adjust these in your phone's settings under Apps or Privacy. If crashes persist, try restarting your entire device. This can refresh your system and resolve underlying issues. Hold down the power button, select Restart, and once it's back on, open Instagram. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the app. This will remove any corrupted files while keeping your account intact. Download it fresh from the App Store and log back in. There you have it. Straightforward steps to fix Instagram crashing in 2025. I hope this helps you get back to scrolling, liking, and sharing without interruptions. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.